Namaste. Welcome to the Center for Audit Quality Directorate of ICAI. In this video, we will guide you through the review and monitoring tool on standards on auditing compliance. The first two sheets are the cover sheet and the objective sheet, provide an introduction and explain the purpose of the tool. The third sheet, called the team sheet, requires the user to enter details of the engagement team. Users need to fill in information such as the name of the firm and client, type of engagement, location, financial year, the audit commencement date, and reporting date. These details are automatically populated in the dashboard. Additionally, users must provide team details including each member's name, designation, and the number of days taken to complete their tasks, as well as the names of the preparer and reviewer along with the dates of preparation and review. This information is auto-populated in the dashboards prepared by and reviewed by drop-downs. The fourth sheet, the indicative goals sheet, is a matrix showing each SA along with its corresponding indicative goal. The numbers in this matrix are auto-populated from each SA sheet and do not require any manual input. The dashboard sheet serves as the central hub of this tool. Each SA sheet is hyperlinked to the dashboard, allowing the user to select from a drop-down whether a particular SA is applicable for a client. If an SA is applicable, the user can navigate to the relevant SA sheet and complete the required details. The status of work for each check coming under the particular column of the respective SA sheet is then auto-populated in the dashboard, calculating the overall percentage of completion. If an SA is not applicable, the user can select No from the drop-down and does not need to complete the details in the corresponding SA sheet. Additionally, the user can select the names of the preparer and reviewer from drop-down menus, which pull options from the names entered in the team sheet, and can also record the dates of preparation and date of review. The title of each SA and any reference to the implementation guide, where applicable, are also displayed on the dashboard sheet. These are also hyperlinked to the ICAI website for easy reference. Subsequent to the dashboard sheet, there are 35 sheets containing checklist for each of applicable 35 standards on auditing, such as SA 200, SA to 10, SA to 20, and so on. The particulars for each SA are defined based on these checklists, along with paragraph references to the relevant sections of the standard. For example, we will fill the work status of 32 particulars for SA 200 and see how the status of these 32 checks are auto-populated in the dashboard. There is also a provision to provide a reference to the working paper and to add comments or remarks in the last column for each goal. This comprehensive tool is designed to assist auditors in ensuring compliance with the standards on auditing. We are sure that you would find this tool helpful to enhance your audit documentation. In case of any query, mail your issue at caq@icai.in. Thank you.